Folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you to step number 4 of the roadmap to the lazy man's way to find out how to generate income during recession. And this is about learn to invest. You need to download the mini course and go through it to learn about it. Make sure to watch this video right now so I can show you exactly how people just like you are using this strategy to quickly learn the ways through which they can create passive income source during recession and improve their ways to build wealth during recession. Without how to survive during recession, how to find out the best investments during recession, and finding the best ways to prepare yourself mentally. So let's move on. So just that you know that you're in the right place, I want to underscore that this strategy reflects the exact system we have used to help countless restaurants, bars, technology, retail industry, and job-oriented people quickly and predictably who have learned the ways through which they can create passive income source during recession and achieve their ways to build wealth during recession. In short, this is what is working right now. So let us dig in. So here are some problems. As you might be aware, trying to get through this system, students will learn the ways through which they can create passive income source during recession and ultimately learn not to panic during recession. Be prepared for the worst and make the best out of this time is a major problem for many job-oriented people, retail industry, restaurants, bars, and technology worldwide. The ways to build wealth during recession space is absolutely flooded with courses, coaches, and hype, all promising to help us get results, but ultimately only adding to our overwhelm and frustration. Just about every day, I hear the same questions from folks trying to learn the ways through which they can create passive income source during recession. How does compounding work in investing? What exactly is passive income? How can I get that? Where can I learn about starting a passive income source? And countless other questions I hear all the time. The fact is, there are 3 main reasons why retail industry, job-oriented people, restaurants, bars, and technology struggle to learn the ways through which they can create passive income source during recession. How to survive during recession. How to find out the best investments during recession. Finding the best ways to prepare yourself mentally. Do these sound familiar? In all my experience serving and talking to job-oriented people, retail industry, restaurants, bars, and technology, I hear these 3 struggles and pains all the time. But these are only symptoms of much greater issue. The real issue is lack of clear point A to point B system that's easy to follow. A clear roadmap that's been proven to help people just like you to learn the ways through which you can create passive income source during recession in no time flat. So folks, here are the steps that you need to take. Let's go to the cheat sheet and take a look at it. Let me show you how it works. Step number 1 is the first thing clients on this path have to do is focus on investing in dividend paying or interest paying assets. Note it down. Next, we help our students to find out many kinds of passive income strategies like selling ebooks, renting your house, affiliate marketing, just to name a few. And then step number 3 in this resolve financial problem system is learning how those who are successful actually make the best bet to search internet. So just as you know, this is just the step number 4 in our recession income program, and the lazy man's way to find out how to generate income during recession. And it's the clearest and most predictable and proven system for anyone serious about doing what it takes to achieve their goals, to build wealth during recession. Learn the ways to build wealth during recession and learn not to panic during recession. Be prepared for the worst and make the best out of this time. So stage 1 is we utilize our recession time system that helps folks just like you people, that will speed up the process of reaching your financial goals by learning about passive income secrets. Next, our unique Start Your Own Business process ensures our students that they will have many different options to choose from for starting their own business fast by learning to invest. And after that, people will understand the significance of investing and how it can help them during recession using our Learn to Invest frameworks. The Resolve Financial Problem process will ensure success as students will learn the ways through which they can create passive income source during recession. The core mechanism for ensuring they can make an effort to keep your debt to income ratio low in our learning survival skill system. And the last step in the learn stage is to customize and understand digital marketing process, which shows our students how to accomplish their goals with content marketing each and every day like clockwork. And of course, you're going to enjoy after that. Fear and learn. Once the fear is over and you have learned, when these two things are in place, we will kick off the enjoy stage by building out their beneficial platform system, which allows them to learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x their income during recession fast. So next step, we help our students put their attention on enhancing their abilities, accumulating additional accomplishments, and creating profitable hobbies so they can put all of these things in their resume. A unique model is called Avoid Blunders. The final step of our The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession course is to ensure our students are able to provide themselves the most original idea that you may apply in your daily life to generate income during recession using the Reap the Benefits system. So if you want to get crystal clear on the exact steps you should be following right now to achieve your ways to build wealth during recession goals, download this course. It's a complimentary mini course and download it right now. Please note, this is only for you if you are the type of person who understands it is time to take advantage by enhancing the contributions or starting dollar cost averaging in a non-qualified investment account, or who wants to benefit from investing in real estate, is actively seeking support and wants to learn about passive income ideas requiring an upfront monetary investment, and will commit himself to learn about the methods available to him for making money during recession. If that is you, then click the link and download the course, complimentary mini course, and learn about the steps. If it makes sense, I look forward to seeing you in the full-length course. Thank you.